Okay, so I'm going to show how to remove a fender on a XC60 2018 and newer. So the mounting points are here. Just 1, 2, 3. There is a fourth one here behind, between the windshield and the fender, right there. Right here. There's another one behind the fender. You have to open the door, and screw is right there. Okay, and there is 2 more underneath, right there. 1 and 2. So you have to remove that cover here, that covers these bolts, and then there will be 2 underneath. Okay, so fairly easy. And then we have another one here under the headlight. So the headlight has to be removed also. And yeah, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 behind, between the windshield, and then behind the door, 6th one right there. Yeah, so